Yo, in this video, I want to talk about how I made over $1 million with faceless Instagram pages without having millions of followers. Because I know a lot of y'all in this situation where it's like you want to make money with Instagram and your faceless pages, but you might be thinking to yourself, I don't got that many followers. I only got 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, shit, 25,000 followers. You might be in that position right now. You might be thinking you can't make no money from your pages. But that's simply not the case. I done had pages that had less than 200,000 followers but made me 100K in just 2 weeks. So it can be done. You just gotta know the blueprint. And that's exactly what I'm gonna break down today. And you gotta know the whole blueprint. Like, you can't skip a step and expect to see results. Watch this whole video, and after you get this game, immediately go take action and get you some money. So let's get started with step one. It's posting educational content. So for your faceless Instagram theme pages, yeah, you can post some drama and some news and all that, but you really want to focus on educational content, at least one post a day. Like, it could be a thread, it could be a reel, but you want to post at least one post that's educational content every day on your theme page, because this is going to get people to know, like, and trust you because you're improving their lives. I know it might be tempting to post the drama all the time because that's what get likes and shares, but you really want to focus on educational content if you want to make money from your Instagram theme page. Now, if you just want to grow your followers and all that right now, that's cool. You could post the news, you could post the drama and all that, and the funny content and relatable content. But if you really want to make some money from Instagram theme pages and faceless pages, you want to post educational content. And the way that you find this is just going on other people's pages in your niche and just looking at the educational content they post and just putting your own twist on it. Educational content is key if you want to make money from your page. But let's move on to step number two, and that's building a deep connection with your audience. So it's a couple ways that you could do this, right? One is telling stories in your captions. Like, you could start telling some personal stories in your captions. Let's say you got a motivational page. You could tell a story about how you overcame a certain situation, or just adding some personality in your captions, because you got to think, people buy from people. And if you want people to spend money with you, they got to know, like, and trust you. And if you're not showing your face or making the content yourself, the only way that you really going to do this is in the captions or on your story. So the stories is another way that you can do this, because you could ask them questions, they can ask you questions, and you could just get to know your audience better. And that's going to help with making money from the page, because even if you got a small following, like 50,000 followers, 25,000 followers, if you're showing up for them every day on the stories, you're showing them behind the scenes, you're letting them get to know you more, you're getting to know them more, they'll buy your product. You know what I mean? Like, especially if you're providing educational content, you're giving them value every single day, hey, they gonna fuck with you. So definitely work on building a stronger connection with your audience, and it's gonna help a lot with your sales. The next thing that you want to do is create an irresistible offer. So an irresistible offer is pretty much how it sounds. Like, you got to create an offer so good that people feel stupid saying no. You feel me? Like, it got to be like a no-brainer. Like, if they see it, if they go to your sales page, they got to be like, yo, I got to have this type shit. You feel me? Like, you got to create an offer so good that people feel stupid saying no. Like, create your irresistible offer. And if you're making educational content, your offer should align with your niche. You feel me? So let's say you in the health and fitness niche and your page is mainly focused on people with back pain. Your product should be either something to help with back pain or an ebook that helps with back pain. It should be completely aligned with your niche and what you're posting every single day. That's what's going to really help you make a lot of money with Instagram theme pages. Because the thing is, it's not about having millions of followers. It's about finding a solution to a problem. Stop thinking you got to have 1 million followers to make $1 million. You just got to find a solution to a problem and then put that solution in front of the people that need it. And look, I know this is probably the biggest problem that people are having right now. Like, you can get your page to grow, you get an engagement, but you don't really know how to sell. You don't really know how to make an offer, how to go about that whole process. So if that's you, click the link in my description below to book a call with me. Look, I'll walk you through the whole process on growing your page, monetizing it, everything, step by step, so that you get some clarity on how to go about doing this and making some real money with it. But the next step would be promote daily. So once you got your irresistible offer, you gotta be promoting it daily. Like I see a lot of people that they might have a product, but it's just in their bio. They never promote it on their page. They never promote it in the captions. They never promote it on their story, nothing. Like it's just there. And you can't really expect people to just click the link in your bio and buy the product because people are busy, right? So a lot of times they're not just gonna go to your profile and click the link in your bio without you telling them to. You gotta give people a call to action. You gotta tell people what to do. And you gotta be promoting your product every single day on your page if you wanna make money. You feel me? So don't be afraid to promote as long as you promote it in a certain way. You feel me? Like you gotta make sure that the way that you promote it is not just coming off as salesy or spammy. You gotta do it to where it aligns perfectly with your content. You feel me? So let's say you got a motivational page and you usually post motivational carousels like tweets and everything like that. You can still do that, and then at the end you tell people to click the link in your bio to buy whatever product that you have. You feel me? So you could just do that. Or let's say you got a health and fitness page and you be posting content helping people with back pain. You can still post that same content, but just in the captions, you tell people to click the link in your bio. And there's also something called the rule of 7. And it just means people gotta see your product at least 7 times before they buy it. You feel me? Or hear about your product at least 7 times before they buy it. So you can't really just promote your product one time and expect people to buy. Like they gotta keep seeing it over and over and over and over again before they buy it. And you really gotta get it in their mind like, yo, this is the product for you. And if you got a good product, stand on that. Like that's something that you would want to promote anyway, because you know you ain't selling no BS. Like you know it's actually gonna help them if they buy it. That's why when it comes to like me telling y'all to book a call with me or click the link in my description below to join my 21-day digital cash flow challenge, I don't mind doing that in every single video, because I know if y'all buy that, I ain't holding nothing back. If you put in the work, you gonna see results. Like I got no doubt in my mind. I've been doing this for years. I know what I'm talking about, and I'm still doing it to this day. Like we blowing up new pages right now. You feel me? Like you gotta have that type of confidence behind your product. So when you're making your product, when you're making your irresistible offer, make sure that it's a quality product that people actually gonna fuck with. But last but not least, we got get promos from larger pages, right? So this is how you really gonna scale up and start seeing $1,000 a day. Man, I even had days where I made $14,000 in a day just from an ebook on one page. You feel me? I followed this whole process. I was posting educational content. I built a deep connection with my audience. I created an irresistible offer. I was promoting it every single day. Shit, I was promoting it like every single post. I ain't gonna hold you. Like 3-4 times a day they was seeing this product. And then what I did was I took the money that I was making just from free content. Like you don't need any money to get this started. All you need is a phone and Wi-Fi. So once you get this going and you create your offer and it starts selling, that's free money coming in every single day, right? And then I use that money to get promos from larger pages. So let's say I made 500 that day. I took at least half of that and I paid for promos on larger pages. And then the next day it scaled up even more, because not only am I getting sales from my page, now I got a bunch of new people coming to the page, buying the product, and it just snowballed from there. So man, that's how you play this game right here. That's how I made over $1 million from Faceless Instagram pages without having millions of followers. I highly encourage you, if you got an Instagram theme page right now, figure out how you can make some money from it, whether it be promos, affiliate marketing, creating your own offer. Find a way to get some money out of it. And if you don't know where to start, take that 21-day challenge. I teach you exactly how to turn your page into an asset. The link will be in the description below, but I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And look, the video on the screen right now, I share some more game about Faceless Instagram pages. So go watch that right now. I see you over there.